Receiving an Igbo Nigerian name from your ancestors will change your identity, the storyline of your family lineage, and change the course of Black history forever. Stephanie loved listening to and dancing to Afrobeat music, and this got her interested in Igbo Nigerian culture. She talked to her bestie about how she knew her ancestors were Igbo, but she didn't know how to begin to embrace that identity because her family had lived in America for as long as she could trace back. But then one day, while watching videos online, she found the perfect way to begin embracing her culture, and that was by receiving an Igbo Nigerian name gift from Chukwunonso Captures. Stephanie DM'd him for an Igbo name, but she didn't hear back from him for months, so she gave up hope.
But then, one day she got a notification on her phone. He made a video for her, giving her the Igbo Nigerian name gift, Ebelechukwu, meaning God's mercy.
That boost of ancestral inspiration sparked the confidence she needed to start her own business to create generational wealth for her future family.